Hey everybody, it's Mr. Vance, and today we will use a stencil to draw circles. The first thing I want you to notice is that our stencil has an outside color. That I want you to hold that down with your fingers so that when we spin the inside circle, it doesn't move and your stencil stays in place. So as you spin it around, you can notice that we can make all different size circles. So you pick your pencil, and then you choose one of these circle, little tiny dots in the circle, and put your pencil in there and spin it around. If you move your stencil, you will notice that you have a perfect circle. The cool thing about our stencil is that you can make tons of different size circles, and then it starts to create an artwork. So I'm going to start moving the stencil around and using all these inside circles. One of them is 1 inch across. The one I'm using right now is 5/8, 4/8, and they just to have fun messing around using the stencil to make all these different types of circles. I'm gonna draw some straight lines to switch it up, and then I'm gonna start drawing all kinds of circles and just start really developing this artwork for the next few minutes. So you can either practice on your own, or you can just watch the video to try to see what happens and how this artwork turns out. And if you line up your stencil with the outside circle, you can make these half circles, and it really starts to give your artwork some variety. It starts to look like it's overlapping, and there's smaller circles in the background. For this next part of the video, I'm going to start drawing circles in the center, I'm gonna try to make sure that all my circles line up in the center to start making it look like a wheel or some sort of hubcap. Um, Basically a design that is in the end just gonna be a bunch of different circles. So as I spin this stencil around, I'm just having fun going fast and trying to now create a pattern, which I'm going to start coloring each ring, every other ring, I'm going to color it in. I'm going to eventually add some more circles around the edge. And I'm just going to start adding more variety to this artwork right now. Just to switch it up, I'm making these wavy lines. Kind of looks like snakes going around in circles. Just to go ahead and make it a little easier to fill in that shape, but also to switch it up. And to finish this picture up, I'm going to pick a circle that fits, and I'm going to go ahead and make the just going to go ahead and trace that out all around the edge to make a ring. And with that, that's pretty much all that is for this video. I'm going to go ahead and say thank you for watching and have a good day.